Hi darlings, welcome back to my channel, guys. This style was inspired by the hairstyle that we usually use to start our hair when we're younger, and I guess I'm talking to Nigerians right now. That Ajankolokolo pop off. Yes, this style was inspired by that, and I hope you learn a thing or two. Yeah, a thing or two. Emma Bino. So please don't forget to like, share, or subscribe. Please subscribe and like and watch the end of the video. And if you have any questions, please ask in the comment section, and I will make sure I answer as soon as possible. Thanks, babes. Thank you, darlings. So guys, we used to have this traditional threading thing that we use, but in this video I'm using the 250 naira Brazilian wool I bought since then. That's not finished, so that's what I'll still be using here. I cut it into size. The size I cut it into was too long, so you guys can cut it according to the shape, the size, the length at which you need. So then I started weaving or threading the base of each hair. Then I twist the ends to connect it to the next hair. As per when we are doing Ajankolokolo for the old hair, and for those people that don't know the Ajankolokolo, you can just call it pop off. We just leave the ends like that, but this hair is too long to be left like that. That's why I just twist the ends and connect it to the next hair. I hope you enjoy and you learn. I think that's the most important thing in this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please, I am begging. It is a plea. I will cry to you. You have the power to help me grow, so please help me grow. Thank you. I always say detangle from the tip of your hair, not from the roots. Please don't forget. I think as it has been a while I've mentioned that. Please don't forget to detangle from the tip of your hair and not the roots, regardless of the type of hair you have, whether it's relaxed, whether it's natural. Please, the tip, not the roots. Thank you, boo boo.
Tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine.
So this is the point at which I want to twist the ends of the hair and connect it to the next hair threaded. So I try to straighten the tip so it is not more detangled at the tip, and connect it to the next hair, then thread it to the base of the hair. So yes guys, and this is how we'll do the connecting for each aspect of the hairstyle. Please, if you do try this hairstyle, please tag me on Instagram at faygirl, FAY_GAHL. Yes.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Thank you for watching.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want.